Question number 5. A vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 cm and the radius of its top, which is open, is 5 cm. It is filled with water up to the brim. When lead shoots, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 cm, are dropped into the vessel, 1/4 of the water flow out. Find the number of lead shots dropped in. Height is 8 centimeter and radius is 5 centimeter. Given height of cone is equal to 8 centimeter. Radius of cone is equal to 5 centimeter. Volume of cone, that is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 into pi is 22/7 and radius is 5 into 5 into 8, that is equal to 22 into 25 into 8 divided by 21 centimeter cube is equal to 25 4s are 100, 25 8s are 200. 200 4400 divided by 21 centimeter cube. Its volume of cone. Radius of spherical lead shots is equal to 0.5 centimeter. Volume of one spherical lead shots is equal to 4/3 pi r cube, that is equal to 4/3 pi is 22/7 into radius is 5/10, 5/10, 5/10, that is equal to 1/2, 1/2, 1/2 is equal to 88 divided by 21 8s are 21 multiplied by 8, 168 centimeter cube. Let the number of lead shots be n. Volume of n spherical shoots is equal to 1/4 of water flows out, 1/4 of volume of cone. That is n into 88 upon 168 centimeter cube is equal to 1/4 of 4400 upon 21 centimeter cube. This implies n is equal to 4400 into 168 divided by 88 into 4 into 21. This is cancelled by 1100 and 11 8 jar 88, 8 1 jar 8, 8 2 jar 16, 8 1 jar 8, 21 jar. So n is equal to 100. Answer. Given height of cone is 8 centimeter and radius of cone is equal to 5 centimeter. Volume of cone is equal to 1 upon 3 into pi r square h. Pi is 22 upon 7 and radius is 5 into 5 into 8, that is equal to 22 into 25 into 8 upon 21 centimeter cube. Volume of cone is equal to 4400 upon 21 centimeter cube and radius of spherical lead shoots be 0.5 centimeter. Given volume of one spherical lead shoots be 4 upon 3 into pi r cube, 4 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 5 upon 10 into 5 upon 10 into 5 upon 10, 5 2 jar 10, 5 2 jar 10, 5 2 jar 10 and 22 multiplied by 4 is 88 and 3 7 are 21, 21 8 jar 168 centimeter cube. Its volume of one spherical lead shoots. And let us assume, let the number of lead shoot be n. So volume of n spherical lead shoots is equal to, according to question, 1/4 of volume of cone. Are dropped in the vessel, 1/4 of the water flow out, 1/4 of volume of cone. Volume of cone we get 4400 upon 21 centimeter cube, 1/4 of 4400 upon 21 and n times of the volume of one spherical lead shoots, that is equal to 88 upon 168 centimeter cube. 168 multiplied by right side and divides 88, 4 multiplied by 21, we get 4400, 4 1s are 4 and 11 4s are 44, that is 1100 and 11 1s are 11, that is 100 and 11 8s are 88, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 8 1s are 8, that is 21, 21 is cancelled. We get the value of n is equal to 100. Answer. Question number 6. A solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 centimeter and base diameter 24 centimeter, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeter and radius 8 centimeter. Find the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. Use pi is equal to 3.14. 220 centimeter height and 60 centimeter height. Radius is equal to 8 centimeter and its radius is equal to 12 centimeter. Given radius of cylinder 1, it's cylinder 1 and it's cylinder 2, that is equal to 12 centimeter, and height of cylinder is equal to 220 centimeter. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, that is equal to pi is 3.14, it's given, into radius is 12 into height 220 centimeter cube, that is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 144 multiplied by 220, 220 multiplied by 144, that is 0.88088022, that is equal to 0.81611.3 centimeter cube is equal to 3.14 into 31680 centimeter cube. Multiply by 314. 0 8 4s are 32, 6 4s are 20, 32 3 carry, 6 4s are 24, 27 2 carry, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6, 4 3s are 12, 0.8613 and 0 24 20 5 3 3s are 9, 0 2 5 17 4 3 4 8 9 9, that is equal to 9947520 centimeter cube. Point is here. Volume of cylinder 1 and volume of cylinder second, that is equal to pi r square h, 3.14 into radius is 8 into height is 60 centimeter cube. 64 into 60, 0, 6 4s are 24, 2 carry, 6 6 are 36 plus 2, 38, multiply by 314, 0 4 4s are 16, 8 4s are 32, 33, 3 carry, 12, 15, and 0 4 8 3, 0 3 4s are 12, 8 3s are 24, 25, 3 3s are 9, 9 11, 0 6 7 15, 8 9 10 2 1. Volume of cylinder 2, that is equal to 12057.60 centimeter cube. So total volume of solid is equal to volume of cylinder first plus volume of cylinder second, that is equal to 99475.20 plus 12057.60 centimeter cube. Nine 5.20 12057.60 0 8 12 13 5 11 11, that is equal to 111,532.80 centimeter cube. Total volume of solid. Find the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. Given 1 centimeter cube mass is equal to 8 gram. So 111,532.80 centimeter cube mass is equal to 111,532.8 multiplied by 8. 111,532.8 multiplied by 8. 8 8s are 64. 6 carry, 8 2s are 16 plus 6 22, 2 carry, 8 3s are 24 plus 2 26, 2 carry, 8 5s are 40 plus 2 42, 4 carry, 8 1s are 8 plus 4 12, 1 carry, 8 1s are 8 plus 1 9, and 8 1s are 8, that is equal to 8 9 2 2 6 2 4, and point is here gram, and is equal to, convert in kilogram, 1 2 3, 892.262 kilogram. Answer. Given radius of cylinder first cylinder is here, radius is equal to 12 centimeter and height of cylinder 1 is equal to 220 centimeter. Volume of cylinder first, pi r square h. Pi is 3.14, r is 12 into height is 220 centimeter cube. That is equal to 3.14 into 12, 12 are 144 into 220, and multiplying this we get 31,680, and we are multiplying 3.14, we get 99475.20 centimeter cube. Its volume of first cylinder. And volume of second cylinder, pi r square h. Pi is equal to 3.14, and here radius is equal to 8 centimeter, 8 into 8, and height is equal to 60 centimeter. Radius is 8 and height is 60. Volume of cylinder pi r square h, 3.14 into 8 into 60. We get 12057.60 centimeter cube. Its volume of second cylinder. And total volume of solid cylinder, volume of cylinder first plus volume of cylinder second, and we get 111532.80 centimeter cube. Its total volume of solid. And 1 centimeter cube mass given, that is 8 gram, and total multiplying by 111532.80 multiplied by 8 gram, that is equal to 89226.4 grams, and we are convert in kilogram, 123 thousands, then we get 892.262 kilogram. Answer. Question number 7. A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeter and its height is 180 centimeter. One 180 centimeter. One 20 centimeter its height of cone, and 60 centimeter. Given radius of hemisphere is equal to 60 centimeter. Volume of hemisphere is equal to 2/3 pi r cube. that is equal to 2 upon 3 into pi into 60 60 60. This is cancelled by 20 centimeter cube. We get 6 6 are 36, 3600, 72, 72 to 144, 1230, and pi centimeter cube. And radius of cone is equal to 60 centimeter. Height of cone is equal to 120 centimeter. Volume of cone is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. That is equal to 1 upon 3 pi into radius is 60 multiplied by 60 into height is 120. This is divisible 40, 60, 60, 36, 36 4s are 36 multiplied by 4, 6 4s are 24, 2 carry 12, 14 centimeter cube. That is equal to 144,000 centimeter cube. Height, total height of cylindrical solid is equal to 180 centimeter, and radius of cylinder is equal to 60 centimeter. Volume of cylindrical solid is equal to pi r square h. That is equal to pi into 60 into 60 into 180. 60 60s are 3600 multiplied by 180, 000, 18 6 are 108, 8 10, 18 3s are 54, 54, that is 64. That is equal to 648,000 centimeter cube. Volume of cylindrical solid. Volume of cylindrical solid. Find the volume of water left in the volume of water left in the cylinder is equal to volume of cylindrical solid minus volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. That is equal to pi 648,000 pi minus sum of this pi one four four zero 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 pi 144,000 pi, that is equal to 882,000 pi. Volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone is equal to 288,000 pi centimeter cube is equal to 648,000 pi minus 288,000 pi. We get 8 minus 8 0 6 3, that is equal to 36,000 pi centimeter cube. And that is equal to 36,000 into pi 22/7 centimeter cube. 36,000 into 22,000 2 6 2 are 12, 3 2 are 6 plus 1 7. We get 0,00297. That is equal to 792,000 divided by 7 centimeter cube is equal to, that is equal to 792,000 divided by centimeter change into meter 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is cancel, but 7 divided by 792, 7 ones are 7 and 9.7 ones are 7, 2 22, 7 threes are 21, that is equal to 1.13 meter cube. Answer. Given radius of hemisphere is equal to 60 centimeter. Radius of hemisphere is equal to 60 centimeter, and volume of hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube, 2/3 pi as it is, and 60 into 60 into 60, we get 144,000 pi centimeter cube. Its volume of hemisphere. And radius of cone is equal to 60 centimeter. So height of cone is 120, that is 120. So we get volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. R square 60 into 60 into height 120, we get 144,000 pi centimeter cube. And height of the cylindrical solid, that is equal to 180. Total height in cylinder 180 and radius of cylinder is 60. So volume of cylindrical solid, that is pi r square h, pi into 60 into 60 into 180, that is equal to 648,000 pi centimeter cube. And volume of water left in the cylinder, that is equal to volume of cylinder solid minus volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. Total sum, that is equal to 288,000 pi, and volume of cylinder we get 648,000 pi centimeter cube. And we are subtracting 648,000 pi and 288,000 pi, we get 36,000 pi centimeter cube. And 6000 multiplied by pi 22 upon 7 and 22 multiplied by 36, we get 792,000 divided by 7. It's centimeter cube and we want to find in meter. And 792,000 divided by 7 centimeter cube, and we are changed in meter cube, that is 100 into 100 into 100 divided by 0 is cancelled, and 792 divided 7, we get 1.13 centimeter cube answer. Thank you so much.